Hey guys, Irene here. So as you probably guessed from the title of this video, yes, I am the new KelbyOne instructor. Yay! This was actually a goal of mine for this year, to become an instructor. Since I've done my workshop in Brazil, I've been really passionate about teaching, and I've been working hard on actually developing programs for my upcoming workshops. I'm gonna be starting here in Calgary, and then I'm thinking of expanding my workshops into USA and possibly Europe as well. So I'm just super excited to start this new journey of teaching and being an instructor. I know that I do quite a bit of teaching here on my YouTube channel, but the kind of stuff that I'm coming up is going to be a lot more in depth and a lot more personalized. So yeah, I'm just really excited about this. So if you guys don't know what KelbyOne is, it's an amazing website where you can learn about photography from leading industry photographers and instructors, and I just can't believe that I'm gonna be on the list with some of these really amazing people. I just feel so honored and humbled, and honestly, I know that without you guys watching my YouTube channel, this would have never happened. So thank you guys so much for being so supportive and for following me on my YouTube, on my Instagram. This really has started my career and has given me all of these amazing opportunities. So about 2 weeks ago, I flew to Florida, Tampa, where KelbyOne studios are located, and we filmed 2 of my classes. This is why I've been so absent from my YouTube channel and not posting as much, which I'm getting back into my regular schedule now. But yeah, I've been just working on this project, and one of my classes is called Creative Natural Light Portraiture on a Budget, and the second one is called Feminine Styling and Posing. Both of them are going to be released in April, and when they do release, I'm definitely going to make another video letting you guys know that they are now available to view on KelbyOne.com, and I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about the outlines of the classes, but pretty much you're going to just get to know how exactly I take my images outdoors and indoors with just using your camera, no reflectors, no lights, how to shoot wide open and get the images sharp, how to use your environment in a creative way, and then we're going to be talking about how I style for my photo shoots and how I pose the model, what kind of direction I'm going to give to her. So yeah, I think the classes turn out really awesome, and I'm so excited to share those with you guys. I can't wait till April. I did film just a little bit of behind the scenes of how everything was done. It was really nerve-wracking, you guys, and you would think that I'm used to being on camera, but I'm used to being on camera just kind of by myself, filming it by myself. I can take as many takes as I want to. I can mess up and then start all over, but when you have a crew of people and everyone's watching you and you have to deliver the line, it gets a little bit nerve-wracking, but thankfully everyone on the KelbyOne team was absolutely amazing and so welcoming and just so nice. So thank you guys so much, everyone that was involved, everyone that I met. You guys were amazing. I also met Scott Kelby, who is the owner of KelbyOne, who started the whole website, and he is such an amazing and cool person, and also an amazing photographer. And it turns out that he watches my YouTube video, which I was just shocked. I was like, you watch my YouTube videos? That is so cool. So we did the episode of The Grid, which is their live stream show on KelbyOne.com. They did post it on their Facebook page, so I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below if you guys would like to check it out. The episode actually starts, and we had some technical issues with the sound, but after a few minutes the sound comes back, so don't worry if you start watching it and there's no sound. I also wanted to give you guys a little tour of the KelbyOne studios because I thought it was such a cool space. It's really big. It's full of like photography studios and setups and places to film, but even their workspace is really cool. And I really loved Scott's office place. It's rad. is it for the video. I just really wanted to announce this to you guys as soon as possible. In April, the classes are gonna come out. I think they're coming out on April 4th and 27th, but again, when they will be live, I will definitely let you guys know on all of my social media and probably on my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are excited about these classes. I am super excited about them. Again, thank you guys for your support and watching my YouTube channel, because without you guys, I wouldn't be able to have all of these amazing opportunities in my life. Stay tuned for some of my other new videos that are coming up this week, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!